Young man is dead after being shot while riding on a Metro bus. This happened around 9 o'clock last night in Avondale. The bus was near Reading Road in Dana when an exchange of gunfire broke out in that area. A bullet struck the 21-year-old man who was on the bus. The bus driver tried to save that man by driving to UC Medical Center, but that's where the man died. Tonight, police identify the victim as Neko Larkin. Investigators say it does not appear he was the intended target. Cincinnati Metro's interim CEO Daryl Haley issued a statement today saying in part, quote, "Our thoughts and prayers are with the victim and his family and all those involved in last night's tragic and senseless act of violence. We applaud the bravery and actions of our operator in quickly getting himself and our passengers out of harm's way and seeking medical attention for the injured. We are assisting the Cincinnati Police Department in every way we can," he says. After the shooting, police released these pictures from a surveillance camera showing the man they're looking for tonight in connection with this murder. If you know who he is, you're urged to call Crime Stoppers at 352-3040.